Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I don't know about you, but every time we go away, my husband tells me that I try to take too much clothes. Well, thanks to these great compartment bags from NiHome, I can take all the clothes that I need to and not hear any complaints. This 7-piece set is really well made, and each piece has some mesh fabric as well as waterproof nylon that will keep all of your clothes nice and secure. The double zippers allow you to pack all of your items, and then you can completely close the bottom zipper so that they're compressed and really shortens the amount of storage that it's going to be taking. I really like that the bags are marked with what might be the best items to put in all of them. So for example, the pants bag is big and spacious, and I found by rolling up the clothes you can actually fit even more, and they're easy to zip up. They also have really easy to pull zippers for maybe some bags that you did try to stuff a little more than you thought. And they have nice handles so you can carry them and place them right into your luggage. These storage bags would also be really good if you were going to put away some clothes for a season. And you can really utilize all of them thanks to having so many different sizes. They even included a bag that is for all of your wires. So I didn't have to worry that I forgot any when I went away. This 7-piece set really solved so many of my problems. I love that I could take all the clothes that I wanted, and I was able to pack them in so nicely to my suitcase. Everything fit in well, and it kept everyone happy thanks to less room in using these bags. And that's my point of view.